This In2ition 2-in-1 Delta shower head has a MagnaTite locking mechanism to show you, and there are 7 spray settings. Got a lifetime limited warranty, and it also tells you in the pause mode it's supposed to, by code, still drip out a little bit. I didn't know that. I had another shower head. I didn't like that, but I guess they have to. So here's the pause button right here. Pause. And then you have an adjustment here. I'll show you. When it's all the way up, and when it's in one position, just the outer ring sprays. When it's in the middle, 45 degrees, both rings spray. And when it's down, it's just the handle that sprays. The handle pops out. And the handle pops out. You can see a little notch here. It fits in the top here. There's some magnetic, probably in this thing. So when you push it in here, it's got a nice lock to it. Okay, it's got a hose that's going to come down and go up. That fits into the wall. It's a very big shower head, so you need a big shower to make it look right. I had this coming out of the wall, and that was for a rain drip shower head, and that's way too long. So I got a 6-inch extension, and that was too short, so now I have an 8-inch extension, so this will go into the wall, and the shower head will hang off the bottom. I'm going to wrap some Teflon tape around these to make sure that it doesn't leak in the wall. This is the shower I'm going to put it in. It's a pretty big shower. And I've got the old head out. I'm going to put it in there and have the hose hang down. Got the Teflon tape on the end. Put it here with the flange. Turn it around. In there nicely. And the Teflon the end of that head and put the shower head on. Now I'm going to attach the Delta In2ition shower head. A little Teflon with that pipe. Doesn't tell you to do that, but I like doing it anyway so I don't get any back drips. And you can put some rubber over here with the pliers to tighten it up. Oh, it looks nice. And it doesn't bend anymore, so it doesn't come straight down. It comes out at an angle. Unless I would have got an arm that came down and bent at a 90-degree angle, but they didn't have any local. Okay, I took the Teflon off of this bar right here because it didn't get a good grip, and now this plastic's against the metal. It's sealing really well now. So let's watch how this works. Turn it on. That's in pause mode, so I guess by code, I have to drip out a little bit. Pause mode is on. So this is both, if you hit the outside ring, there's no other adjustment for it, which is dripping until that inner handle runs out and slows down. Okay, and we go in both modes, with the outside ring and inside ring, outside handle. And a nice stream of water. Just turn it a little warmer so I don't freeze myself. And then you come down into handle only mode. Okay, so that's 3 of the modes. And then when you pull that out, you have quite a few settings. Let's go all the way up. And sort of high velocity mode. 6 water holes open. And you got probably 12. Water's a little bit slower. And you got an even higher velocity mode. like a jet spray. And then you have middle and outside, around the outside edge. And then you have another one. Outside two of these. And then yet another one. Oh, this is kind of interesting. I don't know what that is. Rake your hair off or something? You have a lot of hair sticks there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 moves on here, then 3 options up there. That's about 9, but it says 7 on the box. So, really nice. And I find that going back in here, it's secure. Now, what surprised me, I'll go back to this mode here. Of course, when you're in the shower, not in the shower, the water's hitting the ground and you hear it. But what did surprise me when I used this, it's very silent up in here. You can't hear any water coming through the pipe. The last shower head is fairly expensive. Kept hearing a roar coming out here, but there's no roar coming through the system. And it took me off guard a little bit. I'm like, what's different about this? Very silent shower head.